Hey folks, going to show you how to fix your your iPhone connector. Looks like it's the lightning connector, as they call it. Some people call it a charging cable, lightning cable, but whatever. Going to show you a kit that I found online called the Shrinkums. Basically, it's just a tube or sleeve of some sort that you just slide over. If I can get my camera to cooperate here. Basically, you just slide it over the end of it like so. You want to slide it to just barely, the instructions say, just barely back, have clearance to connect all of your devices. Basically, that's all you do is slide it on. Should take about 90 seconds according to the instructions. Supposedly it's the fastest fix for a broken frayed iPhone cable. So I'm going to try it out here and see if it really works. Alright, let me go ahead and start it up. All you need is a hairdryer, which I have here. Stuck on top of my iPhone box. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It should get loud. If I need to like mess with the video later, I'll turn it down so it doesn't blow your eardrums. Alright, so let's see if it actually works. It's going to get pretty hot here, so I've got some pliers I'm going to use to hold on to the end of the broken area. So let's get it going, I guess, see if this really works. there you have it, folks. It looks like it actually does work. Now I have a almost new iPhone cable, lightning cable. Looks like it works. Found it online. It's called Shrinkums or something like that. It's on Amazon. But just do Amazon, search it up on Amazon, and you should find it there. Looks like it works. So I don't have to go buy a new lightning cable. Cost me like, I think it was like $2.99 US dollars. So yeah, looks like it works. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.